Decades ago, Jerry Brown established himself as one of the best political stump speakers around, capable of delivering a rather cogent speech on almost any subject at the turn of a hat, just off the cuff. Why then, one wonders, as Brown goes through his second governorship, does he feel it necessary to write out his speeches and then not even use a teleprompter but read them with his eyes glued on the text rather than deliver them? And it sounds that way. It destroys the whatever quality the speech may have had. Which is not to say that his State of the State speech on Wednesday was very good even anyway to look at it. It was a recitation of old stuff, nothing new, even recycle the same biblical quote he had used once before. One can only conclude that Jerry Brown, who used to be an innovator, who used to like to shake up things, has become kind of cautious and staid in his older age. He just wants to get himself reelected, doesn't want to rock the boat, just wants to keep things on an even keel and not shake anybody up anymore. And that's sad in a way.